So what it's doing is now testing if the machine is running perfectly and show you how to do it. So I'll try and explain. So you have regulated the ceiling area. So you'll be checking here if it's ceiling here. So you'll be checking. So you put it checks until there's a ceiling here. So I'll show you the plastic, how you cut it for us. So if you check here, I don't know if the camera is so clear, but it's sealing, slightly sealing, bit by bit. So it's trying to get an optimum temperature. So it's about getting to the temperature, the right temperature to cut and seal the plastic.
Yes. Without burning the plastic.
Without burning the plastic. Okay. So once he achieves that right temperature, that's where he stops.
That's where he marks everything. Like here, he marks. Then you start using the turbo switch.
Okay. Perfect.
Yes. So this is it. So what we want is, when we started, if you check, when we started put the heat, I think here. So this is our starting point. Look at it. It was a ceiling up until maybe that side.
Okay.
So it's normal because it's calibrating. Let's say you'll be calibrating the heat. Okay. Once you've reached the right temperature, you mark it, then you start operating. That's how you deal with this one. Then this ball valve is more like a tape. Yeah. So what we do is we need to regulate it to a certain velocity. Is it velocity? Is it what is it called? The flow rate.
Flow rate, yeah.
Flow rate, yes. The flow rate has to match our production rate here, right? So what it means now is we might have to make sure that it doesn't go above this pipe.
Which pipe?
This pipe. Our juice has to be maintained here. Once it goes above here, it will pull down the element. You have problem. So it has to
Once
be
it goes maybe
above this pipe. So what happens is
this pipe, maybe
this pipe. So it has to be around this area, so that when you press it, it rises here to this area. So once it drops, maybe it drop to this area. When you press it, it comes here. That's the normal range. So that's what you do. So you just try and regulate it, maintain the flow rate.
Okay.
Yes. The moment it rises above that, the element will start having problem. That's how you operate the ball valve. So it's a simple system here with the ball valve. So the videos are in Shona that we have explained everything. Now that
you can do them in English also.
Yeah, I can maybe send a voice over. Yeah, maybe I'll try a voice over.
Oh, you have a video.
We'll do a video again.
Another
Yes.
video.
I think that will be perfect. That will be perfect. So there's no one who can speak Shona where they are. So now we come to we also have wear and tear areas, right? We have this Teflon tape here. So I'm going to remove it so that you can see. This Teflon here, this one. This will burn up because there's heat. So they have to replace this. How do you know that this is where you have leaks? The freezers will have leaks. When you press them, they'll start leaking. It means this has burned up. Or you first check this area. It has to be tight. The element, so there's just tension. Once it's tension,
which one?
This one. This element one. This element one. It has to be this tight. Once it's loose, they have to tighten it using the 17 pound, right? Then, when they have tightened the element and see that there's still leaks, they will remove this.